Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on certificate text formatting in Gnomio Moodle course. At the end of these video tutorials, the learners will be able to increase font size of certificate text. The learners will be able to change the color of certificate text with proper alignment. So what are the requirements for formatting the text in certificate? First, you need to design a certificate and you need to add a simple certificate activity in your Gnomio course with the proper settings. Hope you have done all these three activities. Then we will go to discuss how to format a certificate text in simple certificate activity. So you need to design certificate image before uploading it on simple certificate activity. So you have to keep this space blank for the first name, last name, institute name of the users along with date and certificate ID, so that the alignment of all certificate text is in proper in image. So make such a design so that it has some space for the participants' names or students' names along with their institute names. So this is HTML code which is required for increase in the text size as well as to give the color of text within the certificates. So if you see here, it is somewhat HTML codes, but no need to learn how to write the HTML code. I will upload this HTML code on Google Drive and share the links in description box. So just you have to know that the alignment of text along with the font family, you can able to change the fonts, then you can able to choose the font size, then you can write down the colors. So these color codes you will get from the internet. Otherwise, you can directly write down the name of standard color here along with the line height and then your certificate text in a specific curly brackets. So that this is the HTML codes you have to just copy and paste and do the proper settings so that all certificate text is aligned in your certificates. So let's see how to do that. So just go to your Gnomio course. Here I have already added a simple certificate activity with the proper setting. So I will just open it and then I will click on this system gear icon and click on edit setting. Then just scroll down and find out a certificate text box. Already I have added a first name and last name for demo purpose along with the proper setting for the certificate text horizontal positions and certificate text in vertical positions. So just click on save and display and then click on get certificate. Here the new window will pop up along with the certificate. See here, by default the Moodle gives a very small font size for the name of participants. So just close it. Again click on this gear icon, then click on edit settings. Then come to certificate text box, then click on this arrow for showing the advanced buttons and then click on this HTML code. So delete everything from here and just copy and paste the HTML code and paste here HTML code and again click on this HTML button. See, the font size of first name, last name along with the colors. Then all the things are aligned centered. So I have done all the settings as per my certificate design. So you need to do a settings as per your certificate layout or design, so that that text will be exactly get the position of blank space in your certificates. So just click on save and display button and then click on get certificates. See, now the institute names along with the participant names and certificate number is added, and along with the increased font size. We have seen earlier the font size is very small and there is no color. By incorporating the HTML codes along with the color, we can able to get the increased font size in certificates. Always you can able to give a certificate number in the form of certificate ID. So let's see how to change the color in HTML code. So just go to the edit settings in certificates. So this is your certificate text box. Click on this show advanced button, then click on this HTML. Then if you want to change the color, just change the color from here. I will write red color, along with, suppose I want to change the font type, I will change it. I want to make it Times New Roman, and then I will click on this HTML button. See, the font color get changed along with font type. I want to change a font size. Suppose I will make it 1.75. Click on here. So font size get reduced. If you want to increase, just change here 2.25. See, the font size also get increase and decrease. So you need to just change whatever changes you are required. So here in certificate code, I have taken a 1 EM font size, so that it will having a less font size, it will take a less space. So once you have done all these settings, so if these are not fit in proper manner, then you have to change the horizontal positions and vertical positions. Don't add other text in this text box, because it is taken exactly the A4 size orientations and it is not exactly fit into your certificate design. So just keep some space in your certificate design for the participant names, for participants institution name, certificate number and date. So you can able to award a certificate with good design. So just click on get certificate. See here, the color of participant names get changed along with the font type. This is the now Times New Roman font. So similarly, we can do good settings for our certificates to make it very attractive for the participants. Thank you very much for the watching this video tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, just click on subscribe button and press bell icon for a next educational video. Happy learning!